So in this short, I'm gonna cover about brands and companies and startups in tech. Starting from brands and companies, liquor bottle may get high on warnings. Earlier, it used to just have drinking is injurious to health and don't drink and drive, but more labels could be attracted. FMCG company to step up the quick commerce race because quick commerce is quite booming for them and revenues could be uh, increasing due to quick commerce. Mahindra, Zomato, and Amazon leases space. The realty section never actually stops, so they have lease spaces at different locations. Nestle chairman Suresh Narayan said pricing action would continue due to inflation. The coffee prices have risen around 35%. So Suresh Narayan said that prices might increase or there might be shrinkflation. Smartphone companies also dial Quickcom because as Apple partnered with Quickcom companies to deliver iPhone 16, but these have led the offline retailers at the brink. Three bidders line up for Moraji Textile. It was promoted by Ashok Piramal's wife, and it split between Ajay Piramal and Ashok Piramal in 2016. The dues are of around 760 crore and the highest bidder is of around 170 crore, 20%, 22% realization. Now coming to startup and tech, Cashfree received 53 million from Craft On and Apis and equity raise. This would help in payment gateway and other charges. Priyanka Gill, who was co-founder of Good Glam and Kalari Capital member, quits to launch its own lab-grown diamond called Colox. 5.9 crore GST demand from Zomato has been dropped. MobiKwik slips into red in spite of 18% rise in revenue. This was due to transaction cost and employee costs. Bhavish Agarwal is trying to invest 2,000 crore in Curritum AI. Banks to take on fintech with feature pack merchant as banks like fintechs like Paytm and BharatPe offered to small merchants. The same large banks like HDFC, ICICI, and Axis from Neo is going to partner them. Swiggy's ARR average revenue rate at around 1 billion orders. So this is all about the today's newspaper what I have read. Hope you like it. If you give me any feedback, I'll try to upgrade it. Thank you so much.